ड्रामा ertugrul गाजी में उस्मान गाजी का किरदार अदा करने वाले तुर्की अदाकार अपनी वाइफ के साथ पाकिस्तानी शहर कराची में पहुंच आए हैं। जैसा कि आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं कि पाकिस्तानी सितारे किस तरह इस जोड़े को वेलकम कर रही हैं।
और आप लोग के लिए एक सरप्राइज भी है, मैं जो अभी आपको थोड़ी देर में दिखाने वाला हूँ। इनफैक्ट थोड़ी देर में क्या अभी दिखा देता हूँ आपको। तो ये नाश्ता किसके एहतमाम में हुआ वो भी दिखा देता हूँ। तो ये आप ज़रा नाश्ता देख लें जनाब, ठीक है जी। ये लैविश नाश्ता है, इसमें आपको चाइनीज़ भी मिलेगा, इसके अंदर पाकिस्तानी भी मिलेगा, इसके अंदर ये डोसा भी मिलेगा, इंडियन भी मिलेगा, कॉन्टिनेंटल भी मिलेगा। तो एक अब मैं आपको एक सरप्राइज दिखाने वाला हूँ। हेलो लेडीज़, हाउ आर यू?
Very good. How are you?
Very well. Welcome to Pakistan, and I want to just about to give a surprise that why we have gathered here. So we are here for him. Hello, welcome to Pakistan. And you're looking great, and trust me, lot of women will be looking forward to seeing you tonight.
And it's a chaotic, but he's like, I don't even see his arm moving. I told him hard to.
But you haven't seen driving.
People are saying, talk to Burak, please. So Burak, what do you think about in Pakistan?
Both are good drivers. It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Very traditional, amazing.
Everybody is saying welcome to Pakistan. Thank you for being here. You have produced a great series. You'll come back again soon.
Yes, soon.
Thank you. छोटी सी क्लास वीडियो की बात होती है।
I thought you're gonna finish with ladies again.
My bad, So ladies,
Yes, we need to finish.
Yeah.
Together. We started.
the ladies who are responsible for him to be in Pakistan, Thank you once again,
Thank you.
bringing one more celebrity to Pakistan, and keep doing this. And what about men? Where are some beautiful heroines coming to Pakistan too?
Beautiful. Maybe.
Beautiful as you.
Maybe. Maybe soon. Maybe later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure. Thank you.
It's a pleasure. Thank you so much.
ये थी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद है आपको पसंद आई होगी। मिलते हैं अगली अच्छी सी वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए फी अमान अल्लाह।